Okay, so I guess this is just called the Pivot DBS Brown Micarta. $29.99 at Cabela's. .440 steel, 3.7 ounces, 58 to 60 Rockwell hardness. I think it's Rockwell hardness. HRC. I'm not sure what that HRC is. I'd have to Google it. The knife. It's very beautiful. Blue pivot collar. Centered. Tip up carry. Deep carry. Micarta. Flips right out. No blade play. Light jimping. Centered on the liner. Very beautiful flat ground blade. Oops. Not quite there, but I'm sure it'll become drop shutty. It does have bronze washers. There you go. The Cabela's Brown Micarta Pivot DBS, or whatever they want to call it. Lanyard hole. So the clip is right-handed tip up only. You cannot reverse it or make it tip down.